Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. For all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I got my paid for Ipsy box today. I'm really excited. So I didn't even know I was getting this today, but USPS was good to me today. So I got, these are items that I did, well, 3 of them I did not, no, what is it, 3 items I don't choose? I don't know. Anyway, I get to choose all of these. So I kind of forgot what I picked, honestly. Also, if you are not subscribed, I do spoilers. I also get Ipsy Icon Box if it's an Icon Box month. And the Ipsy Glam Bag and PR. I don't get to make any of those selections. It is sent to me for free from Boxycharm and Ipsy. Boxycharm By Ipsy now. So anyway, if you're interested in videos like that, I will click subscribe. And let me know what box do you subscribe to, or do you follow, or you're interested in. I'm always interested in trying new boxes. My husband's probably not, but I am. So I picked the Galactic, and you're probably like, Galactic? I haven't heard about them in years. I don't know where that accent came out, but I feel like I got into some type of scrub from Galactic recently, and then there was a liquid lipstick like prior to me having kids, so it had to be like 7 years ago. Really cute packaging though. I like the packaging. There's a reflection of me in the lights. It's like a pinky rose gold. And then it's a luminous face powder, and I got it in the shade Fair. It looks kind of dark for Fair, but I don't know. And I'm not really used to pressed powders. I use a lot of loose powders, but I'm going to swatch it right now. It does feel pretty smooth. Yeah, I see some luminosity to it. I don't know. Is this going to be... Actually, kind of just blended right in. All right, and then... Ooh, okay. I'm excited to try it though. We have to get back to you on that. And then I already got this in my PR unboxing. I haven't done a review on it yet, so I'll kind of get my thoughts on it. Nothing bad yet. But this is from Bare Minerals. It's the Maximist Phytofiber Volumizing Mascara. Who doesn't like getting mascaras, especially full-size ones in boxes? In Boxycharm by Ipsy, everything is full-size, by the way. And then from OPV Beauty, I'm not familiar with this brand, but I don't think I chose this, but this is the Skin Gold Primer, the Joy Adanguga. I know I butchered the crap out of that. I butchered that, but it's a primer. And then, wait a minute. Wait, 1, 2. I'm missing a product. This happened to my friend last month, and now it's happening to me. I'm actually missing 2 products because I boost my box, so I get 6 products, and I only see 4 in here. Okay, I'm going to be contacting them. Anyway, I got the Volition, which I've not had good luck with this brand. Overnight Retinol Serum that has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I'm trying tretinoin right now. I haven't seen any results. A little bit of dryness, but not a lot. Not as much as I expected. But I probably put this in the giveaway because I have way too many retinols and all these things now. But I got it in FabFitFun. I tried Volition's tanners, the face tanner and the body tanner, and I did not like them. So I would not recommend those. I'll be contacting Boxycharm because I'm missing some products. Never had this happen before. I will put on the screen what I was supposed to get and what I will be getting. Anyway, mistakes happen. No one's perfect. But as always, stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy. Before you take care of others, you have to take care of yourself. Makeup and beauty is my self-care. What is your self-care? See you in my next video.